Happy Resurrection Day, my loves, and welcome back to another fashion designer lifestyle video. Today's video is a dog's mom video. I am baking this beautiful, delicious cake for Duchess for her third birthday, guys. Her birthday was yesterday, April 19th. I am following Crazy for Crust recipe on YouTube, but I tweaked it a little bit. To get started with the cake mixture, you want to take 2 tablespoons of peanut butter, a 4th cup of applesauce unsweetened, 1 large egg, 2 tablespoons of oil, and 2 tablespoons of honey. I made a mistake and did 2 teaspoons, but I made that correction. A 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. And then you want to stir until everything is combined together. After all the ingredients are combined together, you want to take 3/4 cup of almond flour, or I suggest maybe coconut flour, or I would suggest to use something that is more plant-based. Okay, so you want to give that a good stir until everything is nice and tidy and equipped together. Next, I am taking my small pans and I lined them with parchment paper, and I also oiled them with olive oil. And then I started putting my cake mixture inside of the parchment paper and pan. So now you want your cake to be nice and presentable. So you want to just even out the cake mixture. In Crazy for Crust video, she recommended 6-inch pans. I would recommend just doubling the recipe. Okay, so lastly, we're taking our baking pans and we're putting it inside of the oven to bake for 350 for 20 to 30 minutes. Okay, to create the icing, you want to take 1 cup of heavy whipping cream and 1 teaspoon of honey, and I also did 1 tablespoon of peanut butter, and you just want to whip until it's all whippy and looks really good. This is a quick and easy recipe to create for your fur baby birthday. Y'all will see towards the end the way Duchess really wanted to get into this cake, so I'm pretty sure it's a 10 out of 10. The recipe is definitely recommended. Okay, Mary. Are you ready, Crocker? What it looking like? Hey, I gotta finish being Betty Crocker. She opened up that refrigerator, she smelled that food, child. She's ready. Right. I should have put peanut butter on there first and then put a layer. Ooh, that probably pretty too. I should do that. But I already put peanut butter already in there, so that might be too much. Make it too sugary. Sound like it? You sound like you gonna try it. Oh, I wish I could get her looking at me. She looked at me making me a cake. Like, girl, I smell it, girl. you so much for sticking it out with me throughout this whole process. Thank you so much for liking, commenting, subscribing, and I'll see you guys in the next video, which will be the fashion haul video, which I will be showing you guys all of the things that I bought for my spring wardrobe from the thrift store. Y'all, my baby enjoyed her birthday, okay? I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Duchess. Happy birthday to make your wish on. Let's say her first bite. Let's see how she can do it. Oh, she.